Supply One Plastics was originally founded in 1968 under the name of Widener Plastics. The company's founder, William W. Morris, Jr., started the company as a steel rule die repair company that quickly changed to packaging and thermoforming. William W. Morris ran the company until his untimely death in 1994. The company was purchased by his son, David W. Morris, in 1997, who was the owner and president until July 2000. In 1999, David Morris was approached by Supply One and its founder, William Leith. Mr. Leith's goal was to add thermoforming packaging to an already growing national packaging company in order to provide interior packaging protective capabilities. Bill Leith noted, "I am particularly excited about the Widener acquisition because it adds a new dimension to our product offering to customers not only throughout the Mid-Atlantic region, but nationally as well." Widener Plastics joined the Supply One team in July 2000. Supply One Plastics has grown from a one-shift operation serving only industries-type customers to a two-shift thermoformed packaging company serving all industries, including medical and food. In March of 2008, Supply One Plastics moved into a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility that adheres to AIB and ISO 9001 practices, ensuring product quality and cleanliness. In August of 2008, Supply One Plastics invested in food-specific equipment that will provide capabilities to compete in the candy, cookie, dairy, and frozen food packaging markets. Supply One Plastics manufactures thermoformed plastics using various types of raw materials to meet our customers' needs. Materials range in a variety of thicknesses. Various material options are available: PET, PETG, HDPE, polystyrene, oriented and high impact, flocked hips, polypropylene, conductive and anti-static materials. A plentiful stock of raw materials are stored on hand or can be ordered as needed to provide quick turnaround. All materials are inventoried and are able to be traced back to our vendors. Supply One Plastics is able to meet customers' material needs to service medical, food, industrial, electronic, and cosmetic industries, and many more. Supply One Plastics manufactures their plastic packaging with a technique known as thermoforming. Thermoforming is the process of molding plastic rolled sheet with heat, vacuum, and pressure to create a finished plastic part. Machines can produce one tray at a time or mass produce. Here at Supply One Plastics, there are two types of thermoforming machines to meet our customers' needs: cut in place and post-trim. The inline post-trim machines take roll material, transport it through an oven station where the material is heated. It continues to the form station where the material is formed into the mold and then cooled to set the plastic. The formed tray then indexes to the trim station to get cut out. At the very end, a packer pulls the trays out of the web and packs the trays into a box. Supply One's smaller machines use only vacuum to form parts. The larger equipment uses air pressure and vacuum to form the parts. All of the post-trim machines are capable of plug assisting. This is when a plug, similar to a mold, enters the cavity at the same time vacuum and pressure is introduced to provide better material distribution on deep draw parts. The size of an order, the size of a tray, the integrity of the tray, as well as the material requirement, all are considered when determining what thermoformer to use. The cut-in-place machine heats, forms, and cuts the formed parts all in one station. In this process, a cutting die is wrapped around each individual mold. The die clamps the sheet against a hot plate without cutting through. At the last moment, the cut-in-place machine applies more pressure that allows the die to cut through the sheet. The parts then index to the packer.